What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop, and of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Listen, guys, today on the channel, in regards to information that we got to share with you, everybody that's from Canada, or at least from the city of Ontario or the province of Ontario, I don't know how to relate to those, but you need to pay attention to this news because Crypto.com will be delisting Tether very, very soon. So we're going to go through this article. You guys pay attention. Justin, take us away.
All right. So, citing its compliance with regulators in the country, Crypto.com has announced its decision to delist Tether in Canada. Decrypt has reported on a notice sent to users in the country that the cryptocurrency exchange will no longer support transactions involving the stablecoin. The exchange's support of Tether transaction will end on January 31st. Remember that it's coming up very, very soon. According to Decrypt's coverage, moreover, Crypto.com has reportedly spoken about its desire to comply with regulatory bodies in the country as its motivation behind Tether's fate. Crypto.com is one of the biggest exchange platforms on the planet, which is why many were surprised at the announcement of the delisting of Tether in Canada. The move was reported by Decrypt following a notice sent to users within the country. A spokesperson for Crypto.com told Decrypt that the platform delisted USDT for users in Canada in accordance with instructions from Ontario Security Commission's OSC in the statement. Furthermore, they stated, as part of our pre-registration undertaking for a restricted dealer license, the spokesperson added. Canadian users were notified about the delisting via email on Tuesday. Thereafter, images of the notice began to appear on Twitter, stating the delisting to take place officially on January 31st. Conversely, the notice made clear that trading, deposits, and withdrawals won't be possible after the deadline, specifically stating, please take urgent action to review your USDT balance and take necessary action. Conclusively, the note assured users that any remaining USDT would be automatically converted to Circle's USD coin following the deadline. Tether is the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap with a total value of $66 billion. In a statement to Watcher Guru, Tether has noted that the Canadian Securities Administrators began issuing guidance regarding stablecoin support and USDT in 2021, stating the topic just resurfaced as a result of Crypto.com's needing to comply with Canadian regulatory requirements. The statement added that although Canada is not a core market for Tether, they understand the country moving more aggressively on crypto regulation than most countries, moreover stating their belief in a more fair, open, and forward-looking approach to financial access in their statement. Conclusively, we will continue to prioritize our objectives as we strive to instill new levels of trust into crypto, blockchain, and its potential to gain the global financial infrastructure as we know it. Finally, noting their compliance with BVI's financial investigation agency pursuant to applicable law and the subjugation to regulatory examination. Now, I guess my big question out of all this is why Tether? What did Tether do to, raise the eyebrow of Canada to be like, hey, we don't want this on your exchange, and if you're going to continue to operate in Canada or Ontario's province, you got to take this off, compared to USDC or any of the other stable coins for that matter. And then the other thing is are more stable coins going to go down in Canada, and is that going to happen to stable coins in America as well? So T Hobbs, what do you got?
Well, in my opinion, it is concerning that it's USDT and USDT only. However, it sounds like there's some type of regulatory writing in there where they can't hold that particular stable coin. We don't know why, but at the end of the day, it's not really a horrible thing. It's kind of like you keep one eye open, right? But what I think users need to take away from this is, one, move your USDT or convert it, right? That's number one. Two, this is yet another example of putting your coins or your tokens or your stable coins into a hard wallet. If your tokens are into a hard wallet, doesn't really matter. You can keep your USDT, you can keep your USDC. But if they're on Crypto.com and in Canada, then you have to worry about the situation. I just want you guys to remember the date, January 31st. Remember that automatically it will be transferred over to the other stable coin. And also remember, after January 31st, if you deposit, you can be charged a fee. and your funds can potentially be lost or depleted. So just be careful when you're out there. Know this information. That's what we're here for at ClearCryptos, to try to help you out with the education and the information. Let us know what you think about the video in the comments down below, what we can do better to improve our video quality. That being said, my name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop. That man above is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.